Hello, my little fish fingers. How are we all doing today? Good, I hope. Well, today I'm going to be making a ring for my halfpenny. 1967. I remember that year very well. Good year for olives. Right. Hope everybody's doing good. Mr. Wonderful is absolutely fantastic today. Another beautiful day in Finland. Blue skies. Right, let's go over to Big Bertha and see what she's going to do for us. There we go. Right. Let's punch this. There you go, she's through. Okay. Right, what we got? What have we got? Yeah, I've got a funny little story for you. We're both in a library, me and my missus, my girlfriend. And we're friends with the girl that works there, the librarian. We sometimes see her out and have a drink and have a laugh. I'm always, taking a piss and having a crack with her. And my girlfriend went in there a couple of days ago. And she said, your hubby came in yesterday. She says he's always so quiet when he comes in the library. I mean, what do you expect? It's a bloody library, for God's sake, I just found that quite funny, What do you expect me to be? Jumping around and screaming and shouting and, hollering about? It's a library, of course I'm going to be bloody quiet. Anyway. Hope you're all well today. I'm doing good. Beautiful day in Finland again. Blue skies. +3. It ain't, no wind again. That's what I like about this country. You don't get a lot of wind. I mean, obviously, when I lived in England, especially Cornwall, it was always bloody windy and raining. This is Christy Burr, just cleans out the, cleans it up a bit. Okie dokie. Now, we'll get our dimples, and we're going to go with this sunny side up on the ring, so that goes face down in dimples. Right, go over to Big Red, and we shall. And then we need one of these. These are 17-degree folding dies. It ain't too bad. And we need our little 17-degree cone. I'll give it a bit of the old one too. There you go. Right. I just want to clean up the edge. I've got some new sandpaper here somewhere, bit. There you go. That's a nice bit. No, you're not looking too shabby. Right, I will just anneal this. You've seen it 1,000 times. I'm trying to make these videos a bit shorter, so I'll skip this bit. Okie dokie, I just annealed it. So now we're going to go over to the one and only Mr. Spike. If you haven't seen me before, this is a ring stretcher, and he stretches your ring. Right. Give it a bit of a turn each time. That way it stretches the ring equally all the way around. kitchen roll just protects the detail on the inside of the coin ring. If I didn't use the kitchen roll, it would just be smooth, so you'd have no detail at all. Right, how's it looking? Well, let's just come on, focus, baby. Yeah, we're getting there. I think I'll give it a bit more. Let's turn it over for a couple of pumps. These shine up really nice. Same as the pennies. If you're looking for a custom ring, I'll happily make you one. I've got loads of different coins from all over the world. You can even send me your own coins. Right, now that's looking pretty sexy. So now I just want to get that cone shape out. In fact, there's not much of a cone shape in there. There is a little bit. It doesn't show it up very well on the camera. There you go. There's no bow in it, but it's a bit cone shaped. So I think we can go a bit closer. Got this. Clever, isn't it, eh? Right. You just want to make sure it's nice and level. Nice and square. You don't have to go crazy. You're just trying to get the wall straight. So you want a bit too much. Back a bit. I might just tip it over. Hope you're doing okay, Alan. There you go. Got a bit of a fat tire look to it. Some people like that. This isn't for anybody in particular. It's just me making a ring. So let's zoom out a bit. We'll break out Kate Bush and we'll give it a bit of the old hoochie coochie. This is similar to steel wool, quad zero steel wool. It doesn't scratch it. It just brightens things up a bit. Takes the fire scale off, you know. There is a bit of a lip inside. You want to get that lip out there. You want to get that out. Otherwise it's uncomfortable to wear and it gives you a false sizing. I'd like to thank my latest subscribers for hitting that button for me. Thank you very much. If you're new to the channel and you'd like to give me some support, there's a little red button, bottom right hand corner of the video. You hit that, stuff happens. I don't know what happens, but stuff happens. And if you'd like to hit the like button for me, I really would appreciate it. Let's show me some love. There's still a bit in there. Sometimes there's none on coins and other times there's quite a bit. That's better. Right, let's take out Kate and we'll put in Felton John. And a bit of polish. Right. Now the messy bit. This is my favourite bit. Right, now this should come up really nice. It'll soon be time to change the tyres, the wheels on my car to studded before the ice starts coming. I mean, in the mornings now, there's a good frost on the cars, you know, but there's no ice yet as such. Yeah, it's coming up rather good. The inside. Right, what we got? Let's clean off the old mingers a bit. My girlfriend finishes polishing these up because my fingers are still covered in stuff. She sits there on her laptop with a rag in her hand, polishing the rings. Then she does the photos. Then she does all the uploading and the editing. Right, let's get a slightly cleaner cloth. A nice pale blue turquoise, I'd say this is. Oh yeah, look at that. Sexy as hell. So if you're looking for a gift for Christmas, I've got old 2 shillings and loads of coins. You can send me your own coins. Right, how's it looking? What we got? That came up really good. There she is. Where is she? There she is, good old Lizzie. Rule Britannia. Right. What size we got? We have a size. We have a size 10, 10. 10, 10. It fits this finger absolutely spotty dog. Thank you all for watching. Have a great day. And yeah, hit the like button for me. Hit the subscribe button. It's there. Hit it. Come on. Come on, hit it. And God willing, I'll see you on the next one. And yeah, don't let the bastards get you down. Keep smiling and yeah, have a great week. So bye bye.